Hi, Kate. I won't answer the specific questions from the textbook because that's part of your assignment, but what I'll do is I'll work from the diagrams that I've got here and just explain to you the steps that you would need to use to find your median, okay? So the first question, it says to find the median from vertex A. So I've drawn a line from vertex A and it meets line BC. Now a median, by definition, the median is the halfway, it meets BC at the halfway point. So you can see that what they're really trying to do is get you to find the midpoint of BC to begin with, okay? So you're going to get some point xy there. And then you already know the coordinates of point A, whatever they gave you there. And so now what you're doing is you need to find the equation of a line using y equals mx plus b. You can find m, the slope, by doing rise over run for the 2 points that you have, the midpoint and point A. You can put that into the straight line equation for m, and then you can choose either one of the points. You can choose either A or your midpoint, and you can put them in for x and y and solve for b. Then you'll have your equation of the median, okay? Now for the second question, they just want the equation of the right bisector. And so again, what we're starting with is if you're given this point and this point, you need to find the midpoint because bisect means to cut things in half. So we'll end up with an ordered pair for the midpoint, and that's 1 point on this perpendicular line, okay? The right bisector, the word right, refers to the 90-degree angle. So it's perpendicular, or it meets the other line at 90 degrees. And so what that tells us is if we can find the slope for the pink line, then the slope that we want for our perpendicular line is going to be the negative reciprocal of that. And that's from last year. Remember the good old days in grade 9, okay? So find the negative reciprocal of m, and that will be the slope of the line that you're looking for. So now what you'll have is a slope and a point on the line because that's your midpoint. And again, we're going to put that into y equals mx plus b and solve for b. Okay, so you're going to have your m, and you're going to have your x and your y filled in, and b is the only thing that you need to find. And then you just rewrite the equation, y equals mx plus b, with the m and the b filled in. So I hope that helps on your ISU. It looks like we'll be having our quiz on Tuesday because we have to have our test tomorrow. So you have one more day. If you still have questions, you could ask me tomorrow, okay?